on my demons every day. I pray to God, keep myself above the slaughter. Got guns on my waist, got me jigging out my way like I'm Swish. If I ever switch up, they gon' put me in a ditch. They talk about their wrist, the carrots look crisp. Knock your ass down, take whatever got hanging off your wrist. Got stamps in my back, pray to those who gon' cross me. Got bullets with your name on it, it sound good, don't it? On the 8th day, God rose and walked to me and blessed Yawnee with the God flow. Warp with the holy water, no more dope in the veins. No more hitting licks stranded in the rain. Accurate, I feel like I'm...
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a leveling kit on this half-ton Dodge Ram. So stay tuned. So what we have here is a 2018 Ram 1500. The Hemi, good motor. Block tire, safety first of course. Let's start by jacking up the front end. Once again, we have James. Say hi, James.
Hola.
So what we have here is a 3-inch front, 2-inch rear. They're just pucks to go with the coils to achieve the desired lift.
So yeah, sir, what's on the job? Tell me how to punch yourself.
Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to loosen these 3 bolts here. We're going to unhook this here so that this will drop. We're going to unhook the sway bar to allow movement of the whole lower A-arm so that the entire strut can come down. Even though it looks like a mess, this is where we end up with the strut out so that we can put the spacer on it. And then here we have it after the spacer's installed. Now to reverse the process, put it all back together. Alright, so we're at least this far. We got the strut back in with the spacer. Now let's just put the rest of it back together. Alright, here we are all back together.
Ta-da! Now play with your lug nuts.
Alright, so for the back here, we just have another puck to put in there. So all we're going to have to do is remove the bolt from the bottom of the shock so it lets the axle move a little bit more. Pull the coil down just a little bit and stuck the puck up in there. Sway bar back together.
Yeah.
Shock going back together.
Yep.
Spacer in.
Yep.
And that's all it takes. Well, there you have it. Kit's done. Looks good. Actually looks like a 4-wheel drive now. So I do appreciate you guys turning in today. If you like this video, give it that thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos. So thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next one.